Welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Upa Upa Tahiti. So today I'm gonna teach you a song entitled Orio by the singer Bobby Holcomb, which is one of my favorite singer, like for Polynesian song. This song is about a prayer to the god of the ocean, and it say that it's pray the god to bring the wealth of the deep ocean to the men. So I'm gonna teach you 4 chords for this song, and then I will show you a strumming pattern, like the usual strumming pattern for the basic strum, and we're gonna finish with a play along. Let's play! We're gonna start with the first chord, which is the C chord. So you put your index finger on the bottom string of the 3rd fret, right here. I know it sounds different than the usual ukulele that I use, but I guarantee you it's the same chord. It's just like on higher note. And then we have the G chord. So you put your index finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, your middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Then we have the D chord. So it's a bar chord, the 2nd fret, the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th string. You bar them with your index finger. So you put the flat of your finger or the side of your finger on the string. You bar them and give you the D chord. Okay, and the last one is gonna be the G7 chord. So for the G7 chord, you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, right here. Then your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. And that's all you're gonna need for this song. Okay, so for the strum, the pattern is gonna be the basic one. It's gonna be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. With the chords is gonna sound like this. And if you want more rhythm, you can add the more movements. So the pattern is gonna be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And with the chords, it's gonna sound like this. for playing with me today. Again, you're gonna find a translation of the lyrics in the description. Don't hesitate to check also the link to the original song. And I see you next time with a new lesson. Bye bye!